This could have been a short, but here we are. So I created this new series of cups. The vessel is actually called a jarrito. It's typically used for hot chocolate, micheladas, margaritas, but I will be using it for my iced lattes and my hot coffee. I need something to help prevent liquids from spilling in my car and in my new Sula bag. So I searched the World Wide Web and found these really cool latex covers, and I thought I'd share that with you. These things work surprisingly well. So proceed with caution.